I can ride on the side. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Alright, y'all. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me. Anyways, mind your business. It's been like a week and a half since I picked up my camera because I haven't been in the mood and I'm entitled to just take a break and a breather when I want to take a break and a breather. But anyways, it's a new day and we're finna go get our hair did because we have been rocking a braid down since November in 4 different wigs. Yeah, I'm currently at my wig era. Like, I don't want a wig. I don't want to see a wig. Only thing I want to do is tape ins and sew ins. And that's enough for me at this point. Like, it's just too much to pay so much money for a wig on top of paying the install. Like, it's just a lot. It's too much money for it to only last a week. And probably not a week for me. Probably a couple days. So, that's something I'm not going to be investing my money in this year. I am going to stick with my sew-ins and my tape-ins. Today, we're going to be trying bundles from SHEIN. My mama bought me the bundles, y'all, so I've been had them. And I didn't want to buy no more hair. So, after today, I'm actually end up buying raw hair and just reuse my raw hair. So, that'll be an investment. And, yeah, that's that. So... Desiree ain't ready for me yet. I think she bought 4 bundles. I think it's 5 bundles. I think I left one in my drawer at home. But it's 5 bundles of body wave from SHEIN. And she gave me 26 inches. I'll tell y'all the story on how she got these dang bundles. Y'all, my mama is crazy. Anyways, yeah, I'll show y'all what it looks like. This is it. I don't know how I feel. I never took it out the bag. Look at it. SHEIN. SHEIN selling hair. We're going to try it. We're going to see what it is. Oh, God. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't got to worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. So Desiree done did my braid down. We were going with a half or a half down, but then I switched it out to a sew-in. So, yeah. Y'all, look at the SHEIN bundle. I thought I had 5, y'all, but I actually had 4. But, yeah, my girl got some bounce to her life. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Bitch, I'm G to the L to the O-P. You can catch me at a track of tennis, slime with your hoes. I ain't popping out at party, gotta put me for a show. They say I be living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Hey, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on that nigga top, he better hold his head tight. Anyways, life's great, pussy still good. They still eating cake, wishing that a bitch really. Got my foot up on their necks, as a bitch should. On the grind, I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga freak. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga chick. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Y'all been hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches on all your blickies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legend, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that?